Welcome. Today we're looking at a feature that makes Gyrator X stand out, its unique mouse control system. While most plugins use duplicate knobs or buttons to switch between left, right, or mid-side channels, Gyrator X lets you control both channels instantly using different mouse buttons on a single knob. The individual channel control is most useful when operating in mid-side processing. So, we switch to mid-side mode. There are two configurations available, mouse mode A and B. You can choose the one that best fits your workflow in the Gyrator X settings. When you first open Gyrator X, you're in mouse mode A. This is designed to work with any mouse, even those with only one or two buttons. We will now look at the individual mouse button assignments. With link on, the left mouse button moves both channels together. With link off, the left mouse button adjusts only the left or mid channel. To adjust the right or side channel, simply use the right mouse button. Tip: if you prefer, you can also hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and use the left mouse button to achieve the same thing. If you have a mouse with a scroll wheel or a middle button, you might prefer mouse mode B. In the settings, selecting mode B will grey out the link function because everything is mapped to your mouse buttons. Now, let's have a look at the mouse mode B assignments. Left click always adjusts both channels together. Middle click adjusts the left or mid channel only. Right click adjusts the right or side channel only. This mode is incredibly fast once you get used to it. You can use these mouse controls on every rotary knob and radio button throughout Gyrator X. Once you find the mode you like, click Save Default Settings in the Gyrator X settings. Now, every time you load Gyrator, your preferred workflow is ready to go. If you ever forget which button does what, just look at the mouse symbol on the right of the interface. It shows you the current configuration, depending on whether you are in left-right or mid-side mode. And if you click it, a quick reference guide pops up to remind you of the assignments. Mode A is great for any setup, while Mode B is a powerhouse for 3-button mouse users. Try them both out and see which one feels more natural for your mixing and mastering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.